stand like this. This should be little heavy, long gourd. Then we take leaves of beetroot. From pumpkin shaving, we can decorate this stand like this. Now we cut round circles from vegetable. To make small flower, we cut from here. We cut triangles. Very easy. See again. Now we need this scooper which is available in the market. This is half circle. We join here with the Alpin. We can put 2 flowers and then like this. If this is not enough, we can use this stick because it is very thick. First of all, we put the stand, decorative stand. Now we press here and put like this. We take small one, we take like this. Then in the end, we can put coriander leaves or carrot leaves from the carrot, and we can decorate like this.